How's it going, man?
Pretty good. How about you?
All right, man. What you running in here?
Josh.
Yeah,
My
man.
name's Josh. I got 3 12-inch audio dynamic 4000 series 12s and a ported box under the seat, tuned to 34. I got a Ruthless 4500.1, a 800.4, a SV 630 Super Bank. They left the audio, light, bass knob, 2 AGMs under the hood.
You got a lot of here, and you still work out of this thing.
Yeah. I ain't got no service out here, so I just bought a USB. I've been searching for songs. But
Yeah, just trying to find something to play.
and it's starting to get heat soaked. I mean, it's not bad, but
Yeah.
I need some more power.
Appreciate it, man. Are you on social media anywhere they can follow you?
Huh?
You on social media?
I don't. I have my Facebook and all that, but I ain't got no social media. Not yet.
Okay. Yeah, man. You got this thing looking good, man.
I just my next upgrade gonna be get some more power.
Man, this is good enough right here. It still looks good on the outside too.
Yeah. No, I just want to get a little bit more so the Ruthless can do what it needs to do.
Yeah, so you got a little more room.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna put a battery or something in my service box.
On the outside back here.
Yeah. I ain't gotta worry about fire or nothing like that.
Yeah. It's a clean setup though.
Yeah,
that's what I like the most about it, man.
I did everything except for the box.
All the wiring and everything.
All the wiring, everything.
This a welding truck is what you do out of this one?
Yeah. This is my business.
Oh yeah, you did real good for the work truck, yeah.
Yeah, I started it 5 years ago, and I always like music, and I always been the type I can be having a shit day and listen to a good song, bass out, you're good.
It'll get you where you need to be on it, man.
Get squared away, so that's kind of where I took it. You know what I mean? I'm respectful with it, but I'll do some beating down some red lights.
Yeah, you gotta do it.
I ain't gonna show up to the job site beating down the box.
Hey, but you got it in here though.
Yeah, I got it in here.
Okay, man. I sure appreciate it, man.
Appreciate it, brother.
I'm gonna have your video up on the YouTube channel, man.
Good deal, bro.
Thank you.
Y'all take it easy.
You too. Thank you. Yeah. Was it closed? Oh, okay. Appreciate it, man.